Tholotse ba bolo.
Amnandi.
Ay mamela.
Amnandi.
I always tell people Lore, you know, other people will say, sipo inging.
Yeah.
Akbatlu ibubo. Tabai. Aukila ntribula pela. First training session. First training session. Agimtsi bakirina. Development inyan. So obvious when I came to Supersport, Hotman Laka was a Bansora current.
Yeah.
When I went there, so Akimtsi, Libo teams, but into development.
Yeah, when we are go pagapa.
Yeah, how?
Yeah.
Mama Nakipi, Kika, I'm only press.
Press with Koshi.
No, I guess I Sekia go to Tuso. Kimanton. Araya, Skada. He was even my roommate.
Yeah.
Then I said, wow, when
yeah, such a
Omnandi.
Aye.